Okay, so we've already spoken about NCR. Okay, we've already spoken about NCR. So how do we use this? Okay, so how do we use NCR in binomial expansion? Okay, firstly, for the first term, okay, r is equals to 0. Okay, hence our first term will be NC0. Now NC0 can be also written as such like that, and NC0 is n factorial over 0 factorial n minus 0 factorial. By the way, 0 factorial is actually equals to 1. Okay, so this, if you work it out, it's n factorial over 0 factorial times n factorial. 0 factorial, which is here, is actually equals to 1. Okay, it's actually 1. Okay. Okay, let's carry on, and what you get is actually 1. Okay, and the second term, okay, r is equals to 1. So NC1. Okay, r you replace with 1. Okay, in the first term, r you replace with 0, and what you get is n over 1, which is equals to n. Okay, the third term, okay, r is equals to 2, so we replace n. Instead of writing NCR, we write NC2. Okay, for the third term, can also be written like that. Okay, and this is equals to n times n minus 1 over 2 times 1 equals to n times n minus 1 over 2. Alright, and the fourth term. The fourth term occurs when r is equals to 3. NC3 can be written as such like that. Goes to n minus 1, n minus 2. Okay, and this is 3 factorial, which is 3 times 2 times 1. Okay, and if you simplify, it's n minus 1, n minus 2 over 6. Okay, finally the n plus 1 term. Okay, in this case, you know what, your r is equals to your n. Now this is a very important concept in binomial theorem. There's a total of n plus 1 terms for any expansion of a plus b to the power n. So total of n plus 1 terms for expansion of a plus a plus b to the power of n. Okay, there's always one more than n, okay, in the expansion, so this will be NCN. Okay, also can be written like that. Okay, this is n factorial over n factorial n minus n factorial. What you get is n factorial over n factorial 0 factorial. This will work out to be 0 factorial. Okay, 0 factorial is just 1, so eventually you get 1 also. So the first term, we have to use NC0. Second term, we have to use NC1. Third term, you have to use NC2. Fourth term, you have to use NC3. Fifth term, you have to use NC4. Okay, so just know this first. In the next lesson, I will introduce you on the formula for binomial expansions.